All right, hey, this is Guns, Gear, and Gadgets with Grady and Son again today. And today we're shooting a Cricket single shot rifle. It'll shoot shorts, longs, or long rifles. It's manufactured by Keystone Firearms in Pennsylvania. They also make the Chipmunk rifles that are very similar to this, but this one is a Cricket. We bought this sling from Keystone, and it says Cricket on it. There's a place here with there's a safety key. You can lock the trigger there. It's made into it. When you load this, you put one in the chamber, you close it, you have to pull this toggle switch, I call it, back to cock it. I'm not going to do that without one in there where I don't want to dry fire it, but it's also made where you can put a scope on it if you want to. And Jackson likes to shoot this quite a bit. Let's let him shoot it again. A Cricket 22. It's called My First Rifle. Although Jackson has had rifles before that one, he likes to shoot this one pretty good. Okay, both open. Safety first. All right. This is Guns, Gear, and Gadgets with Grady and Son. You want to say anything, Jackson?
Bye.